everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Leah Renee, and this is Draft to Fab Lifestyle, where we transform our lives from drab to fab. Today, I'm going to be doing something summertime fun, something easy for you guys to cook while you're on the go. Okay, so you guys love lobster rolls. That is something that everyone loves during the summertime. So I have come up with a vegan version. Now, as you guys know, I want everybody to know that yes, we have our favorites, but you can have them plant-based as well. So we're going to be using my favorite hearts of palm in this recipe, as well as a couple more ingredients. Now, you could serve this recipe with chips or a salad or French fries, whatever you personally desire. Feel free to do so. But we're going to be sticking with the main piece, which is the lobster roll. Now, this is not going to be a long video, but it will be long enough for you to pick up what is going on. And of course, at the end slate, I will have the recipe for you. So, without further ado, if you are not following this channel, if you're not subscribed, hit the bell so that you can get an alert every time I push out something new. Now, clearly, I have on some Drop the Fab merch. Today, I wanted to switch it up a little bit, get out of my chef uniform because it gets very hot, and y'all know it is a heat wave all over the country right now. So I had to be a little more comfortable, especially for this quick and easy recipe. So if you would like this little ensemble here, you can find it at DropTheFabLifestyle.com. So we're gonna get into this intro, and then we'll be right back. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to take hearts of palm. Now, I have 1 can of hearts of palm diced, roughly diced here already. Okay, so I have that roughly diced here already. So with this roughly diced hearts of palm, we're going to set that to the side. We have some Old Bay seasoning. Of course, the numbers are going to be at the end of the slide. Okay, I've been doing these recipes so much and perfecting them that I couldn't tell you them off the top of my head. Okay, so in terms of the numbers, I have some garlic. I have some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. I squeeze that myself. Olive oil, a little bit more if I need it. And I have some vegan mayo. Now, this vegan mayo, I will give you guys a recipe maybe on another video, but you could go out and purchase some vegan mayo as well. We have chives here. We have dill, and we have celery. Okay, so what we're going to be doing now, some people don't cook their celery. I cook my celery. Okay, some people don't cook their hearts of palm and they just eat this raw and just put all this stuff in there. I'm not doing that, okay? So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna take our garlic, we're gonna take our olive oil, and we're gonna take our lemon juice. And we're gonna take some seasoning. And we're gonna take the celery. And we're gonna literally mix all of these things. Once we do that, we're going to toss them in a little oil, cook, because obviously the oil is probably gonna soak up once all these ingredients in there. And we're gonna go ahead and just literally saute them. And then once we got that done, we'll move on from there, okay? So let's go ahead and toss that there. Hello, over here on Instagram Live. All right, garlic, you know I love me some garlic. And we have Old Bay seasoning. Now, in this recipe, it is optional. You can add seaweed for that seafood flavor, or kelp, okay? Now, these things add that seafood flavor. that you're seeking, but that's just optional because honestly, it's really a mind thing, to be honest. So it'll taste like seafood because heart of palm has that seafood flavor to me already. Because it comes from a palm tree. So palm trees are by like water all the time. So yeah, that's literally all seafood. It tastes like the ocean. So that's really what you enjoy, you know? So heart of palm is one of my fave. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more so that it can get a little bit more color. Okay. So we got some of that fresh garlic in there, and we have our celery, hearts of palm. Okay, so what we're going to be doing next is we're going to take a little of the lemon juice, not all of it, because this is a little bit, a lot. We're going to pour a little bit of that on there. Okay, just like this. All of the mixtures are here. We have, like again, celery, hearts of palm, and we have a little Old Bay seasoning, as well as we just added some lemon juice, okay? So we're gonna add our olive oil now. And we're gonna mix all of those things together. Now, it's pretty moist here. So when we get ready to grill, or saute, excuse me, on the stove, you're not gonna need much oil, okay? So you can put like a dollop of it on there just so that you can get it moving around a little bit, okay? All right, as you guys know, cleanliness is next to godliness for me. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in the sink, okay? Didn't know that would open the whole time. All right. This thing here. Oh, it's okay. All right, so we're gonna wash our hands because I just touched my nose. I have makeup on today. So we're gonna get a little oil. All right, so we're gonna cook this here. Now, you can cook your heart of palm on the stove with your herbs on there before, but I personally think that they should be after the fact, okay? Just so they can be a little bit more vibrant, excuse me. And they're fresh herbs that don't really need to be cooked. They can be eaten raw, like most herbs, but what I mean by they can be eaten raw is that they don't have like a herby flavor, because they have more of a potent flavor that is not gross, if you will. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cook this mixture. Again, this is a mixture. Here we go. All right. Because we're getting ready to eat it. So, you know, I got some hot gloves. All right, so we're gonna brown this on all the sides, get it nice and luscious and amazing and flavorful. We're just gonna let it do its thing. So if you guys remember from our crab cakes, the heart to palm takes a little bit to actually brown on all of the sides. So of course, I'm gonna go off camera so that you're not literally watching my backside, because I hate when I'm watching people's cooking. All right, guys. So I don't know if you, I don't know, like literally like my phone died and like all types of things just now. So I'm gonna like show you guys this stuff again just in case. So I literally seared everything on all sides from our mixture, okay? And I have put it in a separate bowl here, all right? So we're gonna take a little more lemon juice. We're gonna take some of our chives, and we're gonna take some of our dill, okay? Okay. Now we're gonna take our mayo. We're gonna mix it. We're gonna mix it. We're gonna mix it. Now you really don't need that much mayo. It's literally like, think like chicken salad, something like that. Okay? It looks just like that. Like a lobster roll. Okay? Didn't even use that much. Alright. So we're gonna grab a plate here. And we're gonna grab our seared bun. We're gonna grab my side of fries, because of course I'm gonna plate with you guys. A little Frenchy fry. A little Frenchy fry. And we're gonna go ahead and top our sandwich. All right, now we're gonna take some dill, some more, and voila, magic. Voila, that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and try this on camera with you guys. All right, so all right, so as you can see, I plated it a little bit here, okay? And I broke it off a little bit just to see how it would look. Let me go ahead and try how this tastes. Happy dance. Like all of the flavors literally complement each other. Oh, that's amazing. It's really, really good. See, it gives me that seafood flavor without the seaweed and all the extra stuff. Yeah, that was pretty awesome. I'm really enjoying showing you guys that vegan is super duper fun. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to cook next week, but if you guys have any suggestions, make sure you put it in the message boxes the below. And if you guys have any ideas on just things you would like to incorporate within this channel in general, As you guys know, this channel is about all things from drab to fat. So until next week, I love you guys. Get this recipe cooked. I got all this recipe at the end of the slide. And I love you guys. Until next time. Peace out.